Understanding in a Virtual Pickle. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, in a virtual pickle. This expression is quite colorful and adds a fun twist to language learning. We'll explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. Whether you're an English language learner or just looking to expand your idiomatic vocabulary, this video is for you. In a virtual pickle is a variation of the more commonly used phrase, in a pickle. Being in a pickle means finding oneself in a difficult or tricky situation. It implies being stuck in a problem without an easy way out. The addition of virtual doesn't change the core meaning much but can add a modern twist, possibly suggesting the problem is related to digital or online scenarios. However, the phrase, in a virtual pickle, is not standard, and its use might be less common or more informal. The phrase, in a pickle, dates back to the early 17th century. It is believed to have been popularized by Shakespeare in his play, The Tempest, where Alonso asks, "How camest thou in this pickle?" Here, pickle refers to a state of being preserved in vinegar or brine, a metaphor for being in a troublesome or sour situation. Over time, in a pickle has become a colloquial way to describe being in any difficult situation. Using in a virtual pickle in conversation can add a playful or contemporary layer to your speech. Here are a few examples. I'm in a virtual pickle trying to sort out these email scams. This can refer to difficulties in dealing with digital problems. She found herself in a virtual pickle when her online account was hacked. This usage highlights a problematic situation in the digital world. We're in a virtual pickle with this project's online collaboration tools not working. Here, it's about challenges in a digital working environment. I hope this exploration of, in a virtual pickle, helps you understand and use this expression confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idioms and phrases add color and depth to our language, making learning and using English more enjoyable. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.